man? Who the man? Who the man? Who the man? Cosine, multiply, subtract, and if I get math in your mind, then you'll see your dollar stars. Teachers, have your kids play video games, cause it helps to get the math facts into the brain. Simple and plain, we educate with minimal strain.
Now, what's up, guys? No, I have to record.
This is the Archeology Club. We're gonna tell you how archaeologists used math in the past and how it is used today. Brought to you by Wilmer, Adrian, Gabby, and me, Marlene.
Archaeology offers a unique perspective on human history and culture that has contributed greatly to our understanding of both the ancient and recent past. Archaeology helps us understand not only where and when people lived on Earth, but also why and how they lived, examining the changes and causes of changes that have occurred in human cultures over time, seeking patterns and explanations of patterns to explain everything from how and when people first came to inhabit the Americas.
Unlike history, which relies primarily upon written records and documents to interpret great lives and events, archaeology allows us to delve far back into the time before written languages existed and to glimpse the lives of everyday people through analysis of things they made and left behind. Archaeology is the only field by humans. It has helped us to understand big topics and all geographic regions inhabited by humans. It helped us understand big topics like the ancient Egyptian pyramids. Unlike history, which relies upon primarily written records and documents to interpret great lives and events, archaeology allows us to delve far back into the time before written languages existed and to glimpse the lives of everyday people through analysis of things they made and left behind. Archaeology is the only field of study that covers all time periods and all geographic regions inhabited by humans. It has helped us understand big topics like the ancient Egyptian pyramids. In addition, archaeology today can inform us about the lives of the individuals, families, and communities that otherwise may remain invisible.
Here's a short commercial break.
QED, what did one obtuse angle of the triangle say to another angle of the triangle? You're cute.
The Great Pyramid. Our project is based on the Great Pyramids of Egypt, where there is evidence. Our project is based on the Great Pyramid of Egypt at Giza. There is evidence, however, that the design of the pyramid may embody these foundations of mathematics and geometry. Phi, the golden ratio that appears throughout nature. Pi, the circumference of a circle in relation to. Our project is based upon the Great Pyramid of Egypt at Giza. There is evidence, however, that the design of the pyramid may embody these foundations of mathematics and geometry. Phi, the golden ratio that appears throughout nature. Pi, the circumference of a circle relationship to its diameter. The Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared.
First, discussing phi, the basis of golden ratio. Phi is most often pronounced phi like fly. It's simply an irrational number like pi, but one with many unusual mathematical properties. Unlike pi, which is a boundless number, phi is a solution to a quadratic equation.
The ratio or proportion determined by phi was known to the Greeks as the dividing line in the extreme and mean ratio.
Back to the discussion of pyramids. How might the Great Pyramids have embodied these concepts? There are a number of theories to explore. 1. A pyramid based on phi varies by only 0.025% from the Great Pyramid's estimated dimensions. Phi is the only number which has the mathematical properties of its square being 1 more than itself. Back to pyramids. How might the Great Pyramids have embodied these concepts? There are a number of theories to explore. A pyramid based on phi varies by only 0.025% from the Great Pyramid's estimated dimensions. Phi is the only number which has the mathematical properties of its square being 1 more than itself. And those are one of the many ways that archaeologists use math today.
Stay classy, Arvin.